Best motorcycle tool bags comparison. Motorcycle tool bags are essential accessories for riders who want to ensure they are prepared for emergencies or routine maintenance on the road. These bags provide convenient storage for tools and small items, while also offering durability and compatibility. Listen up. The Ryker Pro stands out as the premium option in this lineup, offering a robust design made from ballistic-grade fabric that is water and rip-resistant. With 4 detachable pouches, a wrench roll, and rust-proof zippers, this tool bag offers exceptional versatility for mechanics and motorcycle enthusiasts alike. The thoughtful design ensures tools are securely stored and easily accessible, making it ideal for both emergency use and routine maintenance. Performance-wise, the Ryker Pro excels in extreme conditions thanks to its heavy-duty materials and reinforced construction. The detachable pouches are particularly useful for organizing smaller items like screws and drill bits, while the main compartments accommodate larger tools. Users have praised its durability and spaciousness, though its larger size may not suit riders with limited storage space. The included shoulder strap adds portability, but the overall weight of 2.2 pounds may be a drawback for some. Kemimoto Motorcycle Tool Fork Bag. The Kemimoto Motorcycle Tool Fork Bag offers a sleek and practical design, with PU leather construction and heavy-duty buckles for secure storage. Its spacious dimensions, 11.4 by 4.7 by 4.1 inches, make it ideal for carrying essentials like keys, wallets, and cell phones. The bag features quick-release buckles for easy access and adjustable straps for versatile mounting on handlebars, forks, or sissy bars. This bag performs well in terms of convenience and compatibility, fitting most motorcycle models. The side flaps provide added protection against rain and item loss, making it suitable for long rides. However, its 1.5-liter capacity may be insufficient for those needing to store larger tools. While the PU leather offers a premium look, it is less durable compared to genuine leather options, which may affect longevity. List 3. Genuine Goat Leather Vintage Motorcycle. The Vintage Crafts tool bag combines classic aesthetics with functionality. Made of genuine goat leather, it features reinforced stitching and two strap buckles for secure closure. At 10 inches in length, it provides enough space for small tools and essentials, making it a charming yet practical option for riders seeking a vintage look. While the genuine leather construction ensures durability and a timeless appearance, the bag's smaller size may limit its usability for riders needing to carry larger tools. The quick-release clasp adds convenience, and the reinforced design ensures the bag maintains its shape over time. However, users have noted that the leather requires regular maintenance to prevent wear and tear. List 4. Nomad Motorcycle Tool Pouch. The Nomad Motorcycle Tool Pouch is the budget-friendly option in this comparison, offering excellent value at $24.99. Built from weather-resistant faux leather, it features adjustable straps and robust buckle closures for secure installation. Its roomy interior is designed to keep tools organized, making it a practical choice for riders on a budget. Despite its affordable price, the Nomad pouch delivers solid performance for everyday use. The faux leather construction is durable enough for most weather conditions, though it lacks the premium feel of genuine leather. Installation is straightforward, and the universal design fits a wide range of motorcycles. However, its overall build quality may not withstand heavy-duty use over time. List 5. The PLW Leather Vintage Tool Bag offers a handmade design using full-grain goat leather, giving it an authentic and durable finish. With dimensions of 9 by 4.5 by 4 inches, it provides sufficient storage for small items like keys, wallets, and gloves. The bag features adjustable buckle straps for versatile mounting and is compatible with motorcycles, bicycles, and scooters. This bag is ideal for riders who prioritize style and craftsmanship. The rivet decorations and hand-stitched edges enhance its aesthetic appeal, though the uneven stitching may detract from its overall polish. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, but the 1-liter capacity is limited compared to other options in this review. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the buckles loosening over time.